Hello everybody, today we are going to clean this carpet and we are going to stretch this carpet. As you can see, this carpet is relatively dirty. This is cleaner, it's all dirt. These little spots here are probably from the tenant or whoever spot cleaning, I'm not entirely sure. These spots here, these are color loss. That there. This here might actually be color loss as well. I put this so, but this is a ripple here. Ripple there. Little ripple here. So we're gonna, little one there, little one there. Yep, we fixed carpet. Here is the after. Cleaned all these steps. We stretched this carpet. I don't know if you recall that spot there that we stretched. It was evident. It's good now. Re-glued the edges there. Good there. Stretched the hallway. Stretched all this. All of this is good. Everything looks great. I don't see any ripples, waves, buckling, nothing. So I'm very pleased and proud of this. Another fine job by Yep, We Fixed Carpet. That looks good. And now we get into now we cleaned all this carpet, but this carpet was pretty dirty in here. So now you can, it's kind of, the sunlight is kind of catching up with this here a little bit, but you can tell now that it looks pretty good. In fact, it looks excellent. Not pretty good, but excellent.